PMP, that is Project Management Program. May I know from where you have done this program?
See, it's actually project management professional, not program. And this is something called project management. So if we are certified, we can work in any organization.
Okay.
So life is a project. So like we are being given born into this world, and then we grow up. Then we have
Everything is
a
a
lot of
project nowadays.
every
Even
project. Then, so what
finding a
happens
job
in
is also a
project
kind of
is
project nowadays.
yes.
Yes, yes. So
Uh,
where have you done this?
so March of 2024.
In March 2024. Okay. And may I know the institute name? If you don't
See,
mind, if you can share.
this is something called Project Management Institute. It's from America.
It's from
They are
America.
the only,
Okay.
yeah. And
Good, good, great.
before 2010, people used to fly to America to study this. But
Mhm.
after that, it entered India. And to be more precise, only very few in this world clear that. So it's very difficult, but I'm being happy that I'm certified.
No, I am. Why am I, so much concerned about this question, and I was asking you in detail. If you know, I also work for the training program since last 20 years, and I have a company known as Ameliorate, if you know the name. And through that company, this company is ISO certified, and I do the PMP program for all corporates, MNCs, BPO, ITs, manufacturing industry, sales, marketing, and all, right? So if
Yeah.
sometime you get a chance to, if you are invited to impart the training, you would like to join with us.
Definitely, yes. Why not?
So that I really didn't know that you are from, and that's really very good thing. That's like I am also doing PMP training, and I'm Six Sigma certified also. So because Six
Oh,
Sigma is one of the very oldest culture, in the industry. When I joined 20 years back, in that 20 years before, in 2004 when I joined, I came to know about the Six Sigma program, and I used to do the training. I got the black belt certification also.
good,
I
good.
have seen the Six Sigma program and PMP also, although, and there are other also Scrum program and all. So all are the, related to project and business improvement only. The end of the day, the thought is the same. The theory is but different in terms of sentence, but yet goal is the same for me for all the
Yes,
projects. So
yes.
that's very nice to know. So you have been to London also, right? 5 years, you said.
Yes, I was in UK for 5 years.
You were in UK for 5 years. Very nice. So, what it's like? Did you go there for any kind? You had any offer, or there was any company who offered you a job in London, or you traveled from here to? It's like by your choice. What was the
Uh, I entered, I
idea?
entered the country as a student. I wanted to pursue my business management, international business management, and after that, we extended for 2 more years. So I
Okay.
was working there. My last company was HMRC, which is called His Majesty Revenue and Customs. So it's a
Mhm.
central government of UK, but that
Okay.
deals with the taxes. So it's same like income tax of India.
Mhm.
Um, Not to be proud, I was the only Indian to work in a central government because each government they don't offer jobs to outsiders. But
Mhm.
I was lucky enough to get that. So it's good. It was a great experience.
So I always believe हिंदी में एक लाइन बोलना चाहूंगी मैं यहाँ पे कि मैं हमेशा बिलीव करती हूँ कि जो अपना घर होता है ना वो अपना
जी
ही
जी
होता है। तो आप पूरे वर्ल्ड में कहीं भी टूर कर लें, हम यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजों से नाखुश रहते हैं, वी आर नॉट हैप्पी फ्रॉम लॉट्स ऑफ द थिंग्स, बट स्टिल व्हाट आई फील दैट इफ आई गो समवेयर एट न्यू प्लेस, आई गेट सेटल डाउन, maybe I need something good or bad, a support, suggestion, input, friend, family, everyone will be there, but that filler, that real time need, on the urgent basis, your family is there, they will help you. Your neighbor is there, they will help you. Your friends are there, they will help you. But own house is own house. That's what I can say.
Yeah.
But that's my feeling. That's my personal feeling. I will not say I'm not, saying anyone else that you also feel like that. But that's my, thought since the day I started feeling like I started growing. So